First homework was the 21st term of the AP, whose first two terms are -3 and 4. So they gave the first term and the second term. So they're asking us to find out 21st term. So here I gave multiple choice. I told you people to solve and pick the answer. Am I clear, children? First term they gave -3. Second term is 4. What's the A is -3. D value is 4 minus of -3. It is +3. It is 7. D value 7. We got A value and D value. Asking us to find out 21st term. 21st term.
Looks like
You can able to see
others
screen,
are very,
children?
very good. And Letrix, I spoke to them.
You can able to see screen, children?
Start
Yes, ma'am.
week. We are saying that only after a week they will take a decision whether to start or not. So currently there is this week or early next week there is no visibility for any of these guys going to start asking us for this.
Somebody switch.
So meanwhile, I have orders from VMR, I have orders from Logitech end customer. So I will pull
Here,
out the orders.
21st term is N value is 21. So 21st term is A plus 20D. Apply A value and D value. So answer is 137. Have you all got the same answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all got the same answer?
So
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
work with Sarang and give you a
Yes, Yashasvi. Any doubt, Yashasvi?
No, ma'am. It was.
Next
I
question.
also told our sales team that whenever
Because somebody is not muted their device. So I just wanted to know that.
accumulating into the customers so that we can schedule the production within 1 or 2 days. After we give the orders in 1 or 2 days, we can start the production depending on the raw material availability.
Second question. If the numbers n minus 1, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 2 are in AP, find the value of n they're asking. Here, n minus 2, 4n minus 1, 5n plus 2 are in series. So we know that if we subtract 2, it should be constant. The difference should be constant, right?
I'll check with my
Am I
team.
clear, children? So 4n minus 1 minus n minus 2 is same as 5n plus 2 minus 4n minus 1. So difference we have to get constant. No, children? So second term minus first term and third term minus second term, both value we have to get same. So do that and you'll get the n value. Any doubt in this some children? N minus 2 is the first term, 4n minus is the second term, 5n plus 2 is the third term. As we know that in a series, the difference we have to get common difference should be constant value. So take 4n minus 1 minus n minus 2 is equals to 5n plus 2 minus 4n minus 1. So constant we have to get n is equals to 1. Any doubt in this sum?
So this is already available in the stock, right?
Any doubt in this sum, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Divyansh, will you please mute your device, Divyansh?
Yeah. Check with what we will do. We will have I think accumulate all the orders.
Next question. Third one. Find the value of the middlemost term of the AP. That is -11, -7, -3, and last term is 49. They're asking middlemost term. So here, what is the A value? -11. D value is -7. Minus of -11 is +11 is 4. And nth term they gave, it is 49. They're asking us to find out the middlemost term. Children, we have learned in statistics last year. So mean, median, mode. So mean means, average. Median means the average of middle two values. Am I clear, children? First, we'll find out how many terms are there in this entire series. So first, we'll get the A value we know, D value we know, and nth term we got to know 49. So we'll apply in this one. So n value is 16. There are 16 numbers are there. So in that 16, middle two values are, so do you remember, children, n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th average if we take, we'll get the value. Do you remember this? In statistics, to find the median value. Here, overall from minus 11 to 49, there are 60, sorry. N value 16 we got as, am I audible to everyone? Because I'm not getting any response from anyone.
Yes, ma'am.
First two question, homeworks are clear, children? Have you all got the same answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have you all got the same answer, first two sums?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Third sum, they're asking to find middlemost terms. So here we got A value, D value, and nth term value. First to find out by applying all the value, we got N value. N value is 16. As N is an even number, there will be two middle terms because number of terms are 16 here. Am I clear, children? Number of terms are 16. When the number of values are 16, so how to find out the middlemost term? So n by 2 plus and n by 2 plus 1th term. Average if you find, you'll get the middle term, children. If it is number of value of observations are odd, easily we'll get middle value. If it's n by middle terms are even number of middle terms are there, so we are applying in statistics the median. If number of observations are even, we are using n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So here there are overall 16 are there. So 16 by 2th observation, 16 by 2 plus 1th observation if we take, we are getting 8th and 9th term. The middle to most terms are 8th and 9th term. Any doubt here over there? Any doubt in the first three sums, children? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
N value just apply here and find out 8th and 9th term. Next one. Next, I start from question number 16, exercise 5.2. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. Determine AP whose third term is 16. Third term is what? A plus 2D is 16 and 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So here 7th term is A plus 6D and 5th term is A plus 4D. This 7th term exceeds 5th term by 12. So A plus 16 minus A plus 4D is 12. So by this I got D value 2. Any doubt in these two steps, children? Here
No, ma'am.
16th term. We need to find 16th term. So here 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So here 7th term is A plus 6D and 5th term is A plus 4D. Exceeds means subtract. The value is 12 they gave. From this we got the value D value. A plus 16 minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. A and A will get cancelled. 6D minus 4D is equals 2D is equals to 12. D value 6. Any doubt in getting D value, children?
No, ma'am.
So this D value applying either 1 or 2. Either A plus 2D or A plus, you will apply equation 1. D value will get the A value. So D value we have got 6. A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. So 6 2s are 12. If I subtract, we got A value 4. Here they are asking determine the AP whose third term is 16. Third term is A value is 4. So first term we got 4. That is A. A is a 4. Second term D value we have got 6. A plus D. 4 plus 6, 10. A plus 2D. 4 plus 2 into 6. A plus 3D. 4 plus 3 into 6. The values are 4, 10, 16 and 22. Anyone have doubt in children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Here third term they gave A plus 2D 16. Use that, and here they gave 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So A plus 60 minus A plus 4D 12. So from this we got D value That D value apply in A plus the third term value. So we get A value. So A is nothing but as the first term. We got 4. Second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. So apply A and D value in that. We got the series of that. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Next 17th question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. That is 3, 8, 13, 253. So here last term I can count as 253 also, or you can count as AN also. Anything is fine, children. You can go through the formula. I just gave L, the meaning of L. L is the last term. So here common difference 8 minus 3, 5 we are getting. So here they're asking find the 20th term from the last term. So I need to take from the last term. 253 I have to take it as the first one. Am I clear, children? So you just keep on subtract 5 for this one. 253 minus 5, 248. 248 minus 5, 243. They're asking from the last term. So this reverse this one. 253, 248, 243, etc. 13, 8 and 5. Any doubt in this making series, children? Any doubt in making series?
No, ma'am.
So from this, they are asking us to, from the last term they're asking, that's why I'm just taking from the last term as a first term 253. Then D value once we got, so this I'm subtracting 248, 243, just it is reducing. So in this first term is A, that is 253. D value is, so here 248 minus 253, it is minus 5. Am I clear, children? When we take from the last term, so D value we are getting minus 5. Any doubt in this one? They're asking us to find out 20th term. Means N is equal to 20. So 20th term it is A plus 19D. So A value applied 253, D value applied minus 5, 19 5 is minus 95. So 20th term value is 158. So I'll repeat once again. Find the 20th term. So A20 we need to find out. A20 means A plus 19D from the last term. They're asking from last term. So from the given series we got D value is 5. If I am writing this from the last term. From the last term means 253 will become the first term. So the next term is 253 minus 5. It is 248. Keep on it first, write the series. Then here A value is 253. D value is 248 minus 253. It is minus 5. And 20th term if they are asking, that is N value 20. 20th term is A plus 19D. Apply the value of A and D. We are getting 20th term 158. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in this sum?
No, ma'am.
Audible to everyone?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So in note 16th and 17th there is note. Shall I move on to 8 children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Understand? Sum of 4th term and 8th term. 4th term is A4, 8th term is A8. And here 24, sum of those two is 24. So A4 is what? A plus 3D. A8 means what? A plus 7D. Sum means what? Addition. Sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24. First I'll write A4 plus A8 is equals 24. A4 means A plus 3D. A8 means A plus 7D. Sum, both the sum we are getting 24. So we simplify this. A plus 3D, A plus 7D means A plus A, 2A, 3D plus 7D, 10D is equals to 24. So all this left hand side, right hand side is 2 is common HCF. So I'll divide this entire equation by 2. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
If I divide the entire equation by 2, so here this become A plus 5D is equals to 12. See, if I divide this by 2 means A. If I divide 10D by 2 means 5. If I divide 24 by 2 means we get 12. Call this as equation 1. Any doubt till here? Any doubt, children? Next, they are asking sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. 6th term is A6, 10th term is A10. Sum is sum of if you add both, I will be getting 44. So we'll see this one. A6 means A plus 5D, A10 is A plus 9D. Both sum of both we are getting the value A44. Any doubt, children? So A plus A, 2A, 5D plus 9D, it is 14D is equals to 44. Same thing like equation 1. Here your entire equation is highest common factor we are getting 2. So I'll divide the entire left hand side and right hand side divide by 2. If I divide 2A by 2, I'll get A. If I divide 14D by 2, I'll get 7D. 44 divided by 2 is 22. Any doubt in these two children, equation 1 and equation 2 getting? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Equation 2 is A plus 7D is equal to 22 and equation 1 is A plus 5D is equal to 12. Let's subtract these two. So A plus 7D is equal to 22 minus A plus 5D. LHS is subtract A plus 7D minus A plus 5D. So AA will get cancelled. 7D minus 5D is equals to 2D. So here 22 minus 12 is equals to 10. Any doubt here, children? If I subtract equation 1 from equation 2, A minus A is 0. 7D minus 5D, 2D. 22 minus 12, it is 10. So 2D is equals to 10. D value is 5. Any doubt, children, here?
No,
Anyone
ma'am.
have doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Anyone have doubt in getting D value?
No, ma'am.
Apply this D value either in equation 1 or equation 2. Any one you can apply. Here I am applying this one. Here in the equation 1. You can apply in equation 2 also. You'll get same as A value. You'll be getting same only. Am I clear, children? So I'll apply D value over here. So A plus D value is 5. 5 5 are 25 is equals to 12. So 12 minus 25 is minus 13. So A value I've got minus 13. D value I've got 5. Any doubt in getting A value and D value, children? Any doubt? So A value is nothing but the first term, right? Second term is, see, first 3 terms they're asking us to find out. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. First 3 terms of the AP are A plus D and A plus 2D. So here we have got A value also and D value also. So A value first term already we have got minus 13. D value means what? A plus D. That is minus 13 plus 5. Am I clear, children? Minus 13 plus 5, it is minus 8. Integer you have to apply. Minus 13 is a greater. Sorry, negative and positive is if sign are different, we need to subtract and we need to keep the greater number sign. And again, A plus 2D. A value is minus 13 plus 2 into D value is 5. Minus 13 plus 10, it is minus 3. So from this we got our first 3 terms of the AP. So in this, first A4 and A8 is equal to 24 and A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Here I have divided from 2. So even if you are not dividing this entire equation by 2 also, you'll get the same answer. Am I clear, children? Am I clear? This entire equation, before getting A plus 5D, I divided entire equation by 2. And even here also, 2A plus 14D is equal to 45. I divided entire equation by 2. If you are not dividing also, you'll get D value same. Am I clear, children? So why I divide is just it will be easy for us to simplify. Any doubt in this sum, children?
No, ma'am.
So any term first for any value we need A value and D value. If we get, it is easy for us to find out 3 terms or 4 terms, I think. Any doubt? If no doubt means I'll move on to the next one. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the 19th term?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Children, do you remember this type of question I've discussed in the revision, introduction part. Even textbook also introduction, the same type of example they have taken. You remember, children? Introduction part, I've explained this one. Okay. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So, present is getting 5,000. So, every year he is getting 200 rupees extra. So, in which year he is getting 7,000? This is the question. Am I clear, children? He started working in 1995. 1995 he was getting 5,000. So it is a value. So 1996 how much is getting? 5,200. 1997 5,400. So till is getting up to 7,000. So we need to find out in which year is getting 7,000. Any doubt here? Any doubt? So in this, what is the A value?
5,000.
What is the D value?
200.
200. What is AN?
7,000.
7,000. Now tell me the answer.
11 year.
7,000.
11th year, ma'am.
11th year, ma'am.
Ma'am, 11th year.
Very good. 11th year means what is the year?
2000.
Which year, children?
2005.
2005. Here AN we got to know, A value we know, D value we know. Apply the value, we'll get N value is equals to 11. 11th year says it is 2005 of his service. So Subbarao drew an annual salary of 7,000. They're asking in which year? In which year means it is a 11th year means it is 2005. Any doubt, children? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shall we move to 20th question?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy to children this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramkali says rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving become rupees 20.75, find N value. So he started saving every week 5 rupees. So first week it is 5 rupees means second week increasing every week 1 rupee 75 paise. So first week it is 5 rupee, second week it is 5 rupee plus 1.75 paise. It is 6 rupees 6.75. Am I clear, children? And the third week it will be
8 rupees, 8.50
yes,
paisa.
difference it is 1.75. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? So here you understand. Ramkali says rupees 5 in the first week. First week is saving 5 of a year and then increased her weekly savings. So every week is increasing 1.75. So D value is 1.75. A value is 5 rupees. Beginning it was 5. Then he started increasing every week 1.7 means 75 is difference you'll be getting 1.75 itself. Am I clear, children? So here we got A value and D value and here we got AN value. So her weekly savings it come and at the end it is become 20.75. Okay. Am I clear? So AN value they gave 20.75. So here we need to how many weeks he has saved the money. So that we need to find out. That is the N value we need to find out. Am I clear, children? A value they gave, D value they gave and AN value they gave. Applying the sum and find out the N value. Yes. Tell me the answer, children. A value is 5,
Ma'am, 10, ma'am.
1.75 and AN is 20.75. Yes, what is the N value?
10,
10,
ma'am.
ma'am.
10. So here,
10.
this 5 shift towards right side. 20.75 minus 5, it is 15.75. So N minus 1 is equals to 15.75 divided by 1.75. You observe, children, after even numerator also after point 2 digit. Denominator after point 2 digit. So if you multiply both numerator and denominator, 100, so will be the decimal point will remove. It is 1575 divided by 175. Directly divide 175 9s are 1575. N minus 1 value is 9. N value is minus 1 if I shift towards right side, plus 1. So answer is 10. So by 10 weeks, his amount will become 20 rupees 20 and 75 paise. 20 rupees 75 paise. Any doubt in this, some children?
No, ma'am.
Easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, this I finished exercise 5.1 and 5.2. All of you practice all the sums. So I'll give extra questions. I'll be giving extra questions in a worksheet so that you can solve and you can find out. Even homework sums also I'll share extra questions. So what are the extra questions I'm giving? So the homework sums, that is from the question paper, children, previous year papers. Am I clear, children? So now I'm going to explain. So till now we have learned if I'm missing any A value, finding A value, D value or N value or nth term. Only these are the things we have learned. Okay, children. So now I'm going to explain another new concept, sum of first n terms of an AP. For example, what is the value of first 5 terms, sum of first 5 terms of prime number? So you need to add, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2, 3, 5, 7, and then next one after 7, 11. So you need to add all these things. So here I'm going to teach without doing this. Here, if I ask sum of first 5 prime numbers, means making 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, quickly you be adding. If I'm taking the more number, what is the sum of first 20 prime numbers? So it will take lot of time. Am I clear, children? So to avoid that, here we have the formula, sum of first n terms of an AP. So just we'll see some activity in this one. This I've taken from your book only, textbook only, children. Shakila put 100 into her daughter's money box. Rupees 100 it is. Rupees 100 into her daughter's money box when she was 1 year old. Okay. Then rupees 150 on her second birthday. How much is increasing here?
50.
50. And third year, it is 200. And will continue in the same way. How much money will be collected in the money box by the time her daughter is 21 years old? So you need to find out 100 plus 150 plus 200 plus 250 plus dash 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 up to 21 years. So it is quite, it will take time if you are taking the numbers and adding, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, children? So our amount,
Ma'am, 1100.
put it in the money box on her first, second, third, fourth birthday respectively, 100, 150, 200, 250 till her 21st birthday. To find total amount in the money box on 21st birthday, we will have to write each of 21 numbers in the list and then add them up. So as I said, so 100 plus 150 is your first birthday, second birthday 150, third birthday 200, fourth birthday 250. So I want the sum of from 100 to 21st birthday. So if I take to add, it will take too much of time. So don't you think it will be a tedious and time consuming process?
Yes, ma'am.
So there's a formula is there to make this what we are adding this to reduce the time consuming. So we are having a formula to find out sum of first term of an AP. So we will first I'll discuss with this answer only. You see S value. I'll take this only first. First birthday, second birthday, third. S is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here I'm taking the reverse order, children. For example, I'm taking S value 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100 term if I take. I'm just taking an example. So sum of the value if I'm taking, sum of first 100 terms if I take. Am I clear, children? Here I'm taking an example to find sum of first 100 natural numbers. So S value become 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100. Now I'll reverse this one. If I'm reversing, it become 100 plus 99 plus dash 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 3 plus 2 plus 1. Any doubt in these two children?
No, ma'am.
I'm adding these two. If I add these two, left hand side s plus s is equal to 2s. And here 100 plus 1, 101. 99 plus 2, that is also 101. Again 98 plus 3, 101. So here at the last term 100 plus 1, 101. Everything I'm getting 101, 101, 101. 100 times I'm getting children.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
So 2s is equals to, if I'm getting 100 times, 101 I'm getting 100 times, that is 2s is equals to 100 into 101. So s is equals to 100 into 101 divided by 2, it is 5050. Sum of first 100 natural number is 5050. So here once again I'll repeat. Here I'm taking an example to find out sum of first 100 terms of natural number. So I'm taking s value. Natural number will start from 1, right? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100 I'm taking. I'm just reversing this one. 100 plus 90 and up till the least number 1. I'm adding these two. Left hand side s plus s, 2s. So first term if I add 1 plus 100, 101. 99 plus 2, same thing we are getting if I add the terms I'm getting 101, 101, 101. So 100 times I'm getting only 101. So S value will become 100 times 100 by 5050. So any doubt in getting this one, children? Before getting the formula of sum of first n terms, we'll see some examples. Same thing if I take first series. So that is A plus D, A plus 2D, dash, dash, dash. Am I clear, children? So if I take a sum of these terms, that is A plus D, A plus 2D up to A plus nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. Any doubt in this, children? Same way, what I've taken example, here I'm applying in a nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP, first one is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. Any doubt, children? Any doubt? And the nth term is already we learned AP of an nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Any doubt? Here S represent sum of sum. Am I clear, children? A is the first term. A plus D is the second term. Am I audible to everyone, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give response if you understood. If I ask, please respond for that.
Ma'am, so what are we finding now, ma'am?
So now I'm finding sum of nth term of an AP. It is A plus D, A plus 2D. Nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Any doubt in this particular equation 1?
No, ma'am.
No,
Now
ma'am.
I'm reversing this one. Same thing, the previous sum, what I explained, sum of first n natural numbers. So if I'm reversing that one, A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus n minus 2 into D, same thing. So we are coming back to A plus D plus A. So I'm adding these two. A plus n minus 1 into D plus A plus DD. Left hand side, if I add S plus S, 2S. Same way, what example I've taken for natural numbers, no? Same thing I'm doing it here. Any doubt, children? So if I add everything, A plus n minus 1 into D means here A plus A, 2A. 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Everything we are getting 2A plus n minus 1 into D if we keep on adding. Any doubts, children, in this one?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So if I add n times n into 2A plus n minus 1 to D. Here, up to here, I've just added everything. 2S is equals to 2A plus n minus 1 into D. 2A plus n minus 1. We are getting same thing everywhere. How many times? N times we are getting. Am I clear, children? So n times we are getting same value. So n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Any doubt till here, children?
No, ma'am.
I want some value. This 2 I'll take a denominator. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D is a formula to find out first n terms of an AP. Any doubt in this derivation of the formula, children?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in the derivation of the formula? I'm asking to everyone.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Next, here, so we can also write S as S is equal to n by 2. So A plus n, this A value, I'll take it, I'll just split it as A plus n minus 1d. We know that this A plus n minus 1d is nothing but as an.
Yes, ma'am.
This formula also we can write. This is the.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Also
Can
we
you
can
please
write.
tell
Or
what is S?
2a, I'll split it as A plus n minus 1d. So here A plus n minus 1d is nothing but as an. Any doubt, children? Any doubt in the difference of these two?
No, ma'am.
2a means A plus A, just a splitting here. Am I clear with this formula, children? Or an is nothing but as a last term, no, children?
No, ma'am.
In the nth term of an AP, we are assuming
Yes, ma'am.
we are taking an as a last term. Nth term is last term. So last term already we discussed. Also we call this an as L also. Am I clear, children? We can take if the last this formula only last term if they gave. Last term of an AP if they give, you can take this formula and you can find out the sum of the numbers. Any doubt in this formula, children?
No, ma'am.
No,
This
ma'am.
is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. If they are giving, if you split 2a as a plus n minus 1d, here a plus n minus 1d is an nth term. I am writing a plus an in the place of a plus n minus 1d, and an is nothing but the last term. We can call last term as L also. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
So shall we move on to the example? We'll discuss few examples. Find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP. Here, arithmetic progression series they gave 8, 3, minus 2. So we need to find out the sum of first 22. So here 8, 3, only 3 terms they gave. Like this, 22 terms, we need to add it. Am I clear, children, with the meaning of this question?
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
have got A value is 8, D value is 3 minus 8, how much? Minus 5.
Minus 5.
And the first n value is n value 22. Any doubt in the given data, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shall we apply in the formula all this A value, D value, and n value?
Yes, ma'am.
N value 22 by 2 and A value is 8, n value is 22, D value minus 5. I just substituted the given data in the particular formula. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
If I substitute the value, so if I cancel 22 by 2 is 11 and 22 minus 1 is 21. 21 into minus 5 is minus 105. Am I clear, children? 16 minus 105 is minus 89. So 11 into minus 89 is minus 979. So the sum of, if I add 8, 3, minus 2 and all the negative numbers up to 22 terms if I take, the sum we are getting minus 972. Why it is minus means only positive numbers are 8 and 3. After that it is decreasing value. See, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Next fourth term is minus 5. Minus 5, minus 2 is minus 7. So negative values are increasing. If I add all the values, I'll be getting all 22 terms. If I add, I'll be getting minus 979. Any doubt in the sum, children?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I'll show one exercise 5.3. Easy, children. So easiest questions I'll take. Exercise 5.3, 2 sums I'll explain. The next 2 sums. I want you people, here there are 4 questions are there. 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 to 12 terms. And decimal number, fraction number. Here see, observe the 4 questions, how they gave. First number is only natural number they have taken. Second one, integer, negative integers they have taken. Third question, decimal they have taken. Fourth question, fractions they have taken. So if I practice all these varieties, it will become perfect with this. So shall we go to the first question, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll explain only first one. Remaining, I want you people to do it. Am I clear? So what is
Yes,
a 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms? So what is the value of A here?
2.
D value?
7.
D value?
5, ma'am.
5. N value
10.
10.
10. So we got A value, D value, N value. Shall we apply in the formula?
AP.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A value 2, D value 5, N value 10. We'll apply the sum of first 10 numbers. So that is 10 by 2 is 5. Here 2 2s are 4. 2A is A value 2, 2 2s are 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 5s are 45. So answer is 245. 45 plus 4 is 49. So 49 5s are 245. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Second question. A value minus 37. A value minus 37. D value minus 37. Minus of minus 37 is plus 37. It is 4. D value 4. A value minus 37. D value 4. And N value 12.
12.
Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Next come to the third one. A value 0.6. D value
1.7.
1.7 minus 0.6.
1.1.
1.1. N value 100.
100.
100.
Just apply in the formula, you'll get the result. And here A value is 1 by 15 and D value is a fraction 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Into subtract, children, and N value is
LCM, ma'am. LCM.
11.